West Indies vs England head-to-head records in T20 international matches. Total matches 35. First match was played on June 28, 2007. West Indies won 18 matches. England won 16 matches. West Indies lost 16 matches. England lost 18 matches. 0 matches tied and 1 abandoned. Hundreds comparison. West Indies has 2 all-time 100 in which most 100 scored by Chris Gayle, while England has 3 all-time 100 in which most 100 scored by Phil Salt. 50s comparison. West Indies has 22 all-time 50s in which most 50s scored by Marlon Samuels, while England has 30 all-time 50s in which most 50s scored by Jos Buttler. Runs comparison. Most runs for West Indies has been scored by Rovman Powell. He has scored 496 runs, while most runs for England has been scored by Phil Salt. He has scored 640 runs. Highest individual score comparison. Highest score for West Indies has been scored by Rovman Powell. He has scored 107 runs, while most runs for England has been scored by Phil Salt. He has scored 119 runs. Wickets comparison. Most wicket for West Indies has been taken by Jason Holder. He has taken 23 wickets, while most wicket for England has been taken by Adil Rashid. He has taken 36 wickets. Ducks comparison. West Indies has scored 27 all-time ducks in which most ducks scored by Jason Holder, while England has scored 20 all-time ducks in which most ducks scored by Moeen Ali. Best bowling in inning comparison. Best bowling figures for West Indies has been achieved by Jason Holder, taken 5 wickets conceding 27 runs, while for England it has been achieved by Adil Rashid, taken 4 wickets conceding 2 runs. If you had liked our content, then please like, share and subscribe.